There's a cool house down below, so I just want to start the video in this room a little bit. This black mold is really, really dangerous to breathe in. September 2008. I'm really not allowed in here. I get in trouble because this is all cordoned off. I should not be in here, but I want to get a shot. I want to get a shot of this. Really old. It's really hard to walk, as you may guess. That is so awesome. It's better from here. If I get too close, you can't really see what it is. My complete human tripod. Oh wow, there's lots of dishes and stuff down there. Dangerous. So, I'm gonna go inside, take some pictures of the dishes. So I'm gonna go inside. Very dangerous. Well, I'm not like repelling from a cliff or anything, not like that. I'm not that brave. Many other brave souls out there with an eye. That's what I get in there. So this is the oldest building I've seen. Look at this old wood. It's old. This is really old style too, this stuff. They don't use this, they haven't used this for years. Get in here without dying. Coming back's easier, but I'm holding the camera.
Oh, there's cats.
Yeah. He's up there. Warren's up there. I'm not kidding, this is probably the oldest house that I've been in. I just want to, that's my goal, to get into there. Look at this place. It's like one of those old palaces. Have a look inside here. I can't say this does not have historical value to it. Wildcats everywhere. Wildcats are not our friends. Okay, that's it. You get the picture. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.